Welcome. It's bright out here. As you can see, the sun is shining. Beautiful day of Washington. So what I want to do is, damn, the sun is bright. I want to rip some of this stuff out the SC and leave it here because I could, I'm having someone dump this stuff. So stuff like this, watch. It doesn't have a radiator, but stuff like this little AC condenser and these AC lines, if I can, I would rip them out and just get rid of them here. Because I got a pile of dump that I got to, somebody getting it, some little Subaru back there. I got a pile of stuff that I got to take to the dump, so I might as well just pop this out and get rid of this condenser right now. So that's the plan. So what I'm about to do right now is go ahead and pop all that out. Stuff like this gotta go. So I cut that out for some air duct. Alright, got most of the stuff out the bay. Sprayed it with some purple power, gonna wash it down. Took all that AC stuff out that was back here and ran back over there. Also took out that power steering junk that was over there and the little power steering cooler. Not going to use that. Took off that little brake booster line over there. That goes, the one right there, right over there. I ran down. Not going to be using that. I think that's a fuel return line right here. That one. I'm not sure. I need to go through and figure out what's what with everything. I'll probably keep the heater, but I won't be keeping the AC. I'm gonna go ahead and pressure wash this out. I did put purple power in here just to get all the grease off, get most of the grease off. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to that and wash this out, and I'll show you guys when I'm done. That's what they do in our neighborhood. That box all through the neighborhood. I won't miss this. I don't know if the new place is gonna be able to do that. Airplanes. Who's that? Oh, there you go. Here he goes on his quad. You got wheelies and shit through the neighborhood. So I got the bay cleaned out, and it's a lot better. As you can see, all the gunk and stuff that was over here is gone. Clean it out a little bit. You do have some little surface rust spots that need to be taken care of, like right over here, bolt snap right here, but right there, the surface rust. Focus. Right there, little surface rust, and then over here, but it's nothing too bad. I did cut the clutch line that's over there. You see it runs back. It's over here now. I did cut that because what I'll do, I'll take that out. Right there, focus, look, right there. I'll take that fitting out and I'll get a, run an and fitting down or whatever fitting down that I need to run the shoot, man, what is it called? To run the throwout bearing on the GM motor. I guess they're hydraulic, I might be wrong, but they're hydraulic throwout bearing. So, or I think it's the slave cylinders inside the, I don't know how it works on the GM. I'll look it up. Y'all know what I'm talking about though. But it does have some surface rust. I'm gonna get that taken care of quickly, like right there. Get that taken care of quickly though, for real. But the bay isn't too bad. Cleaned up pretty well. I'll go ahead and I'll end up making a block off plate for the AC little bracket back there. I definitely got to replace that freaking the brake booster, master cylinder, or the brake booster thing, probably the master cylinder too, because as you can see, it's leaking. But that'll be it for today. I'm not gonna let this video be long and drawn out. It's just some stuff that I have to do, that I need to get done, that I try to do today, just some small little things before I move, because I'm gonna junk some stuff back there. So I'll just pull some stuff off the car and throw it back there for sure. I should have already had the engine mounts, and I should have already had the motor, and I don't have either of those yet. So I'm waiting on those. If I get that, then I'll throw it in and do a little mock-up and try to get everything else situated and see how that goes. But like, share, subscribe, come back, check me out. Peace.